Hi everyone, Joe here. We are all on a journey. Life is a journey, and we have no excuse but to keep following on that journey. And actually, the joy is in the journey. There are things that come along the way, there are lessons to be learned, there are good things, it's the good, the bad, and the ugly, isn't it? All along the way. There are lessons, there are joys, there are sorrows, and we take it all in stride. And I think the thing to remember is to go about this journey with faith and courage and just release the fear and the anger. It will be so much better. And I know that doors will open for you. Expect the doors to open for you. That's what you expect, a miracle. That's what it's all about. And as we go along on this journey, just learn the different things. Learn from all the experiences. Learn from the lessons. And try not to repeat them again if there's something that might hurt you. Trust yourself. Learn to trust yourself and learn to believe in yourself. That is the real crux. Learn to believe in yourself and trust your gut feel. I remember Steve Jobs commenting that every time he listened to his gut, it was the correct decision, and it always propelled him forward. So trust yourself, trust that intuition. Look inside. That's where your higher power lives, your connection with God. And it has been said that God doesn't give you anything in life that you can't handle. I really remember when I lost my son, and that was truly the most difficult thing I've ever done in my life. My heart actually hurt. And then I remembered Rose Kennedy and how many children she lost, and she still had faith in God, went on with courage and faith in her life, and actually still had a lot of joy and happiness in it with the people that were left in her life. So we can overcome. You never forget. I will tell you that. You never forget. But life is the journey, and you need to be happy with yourself. We're at choice. We are always at choice. So continue on the journey, and don't put in the when I reach this, when I reach that, when the kids are graduated, when we have the house paid off, when I get a new car, when I get a new job, when all this. No, enjoy the journey. Life is the journey. So trust in yourself, believe in yourself, choose to make every day a great day. That's what it's all about. You are at choice. You can choose to have a great day when you step out of bed in the morning. Order it. I order a great day. I demand of the universe a great day. So treat yourself to life. Instead of being angry, be joyful. And learn how to give and to receive. I know a lot of it is about giving, and we should learn to give, but you should learn how to receive joyously as well. Not to always put yourself first, not at all what I mean, but when someone even gives you a compliment, receive it. Just say thank you. Even if it's something that you feel is absurd, just say thank you. Be grateful. That is the key. Gratitude is where it's at. And live a life of gratitude. You may want to start a gratitude journal. And before you go to bed, write down at least 10 things for which you are grateful for. Maybe 10 things that happened during the day for which you are grateful for. And again, they could be lessons that will propel you forward in whatever you are doing. So, trust in yourself. Believe in yourself. And if you wish to connect with me on Facebook, click the link below. I put the link down there. And I will believe in you as you go through your journey. I will support you as you go through your journey. But just go through life and be happy with it. I know there are little stumbling blocks and there may be big hurdles, but you can do it. We can all do it. Forget the fear. Forget the anger. Do good for people. Be happy with yourself. Expect good to come back to you, and it will. What we put out comes back to us tenfold in many, many cases. And just keep the faith. Life is a beautiful journey. So dance like nobody's watching. Sing like you're not being heard. And love like you'll never be hurt. Take good care. God bless.